Hello friends and welcome to our video lecture. In this video lecture we are going to study the very interesting concept, that is we have to prove that or derivation, that is in order to see the full image of a person standing in front of a mirror, the minimum height of the mirror must be half height of the person. म्हणजे काय झालं की समजा एखादा व्यक्ती एखाद्या मिरर पुढे उभा असेल आणि त्या व्यक्तीची पूर्ण इमेज त्या मिरर मध्ये जर फॉर्म करायची असेल आपल्याला, तर आपल्याला तो मिररची हाईट किती उंचीची असावी हे आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचे. ओके, मग त्यासाठी हे तुम्हाला 3 मार्कासाठी किंवा 5 मार्कासाठी डेरिव्हेशन विचारले जाऊ शकते. इम्पॉर्टंट कन्सेप्ट आहे. ओके, सो समजून घ्या, खूप इझी वे आपण जाणार आहे. सो काय करायचं आहे आपल्याला, सपोज one person is standing in front of a mirror, then we have to find what amount of size of that mirror must be fitted so that the full image are getting to in the mirror. So for that we suppose that we draw a line. Suppose this line is nothing but a person standing in front of a mirror. Suppose that H is head region, and suppose that E is here eyes region, and F is feet region. So we have to, आता हे आपण एक पर्सन स्टँड केला, ज्याच्यामध्ये H काय झालं, त्याचं हेड रिजन झालं, E काय आहे त्याचा आईज रिजन, आणि F काय आहे त्याचा feet region. ओके, मग आता आपल्याला काय करू आपण, we take the half distance of EHE, that is we also say that we take the midpoint of HE, and another we take the another midpoint, that is EF. Okay, now we take the another point, that is midpoint here. Now we take another point, that is here. Okay, now we draw this line, connect those 2 points, and आपण काय केलं की HE चा मिड पॉइंट घेतला आणि EF चा मिड पॉइंट घेतला. ओके, that means this is the half distance of HE and this point is the midpoint, that means it is a half distance of EF. मग यावरून आपण काय केलं की एक्सटेंड केले हे पॉइंट्स आपण. ओके, आता इथे आपण सपोज हे कन्सिडर करू की ही मिरर आहे. ओके, सो सपोज दैट PQ is a mirror. This is not a mirror because if we draw such a line, then that is called as a mirror, because one part of that mirror is coated with silver and aluminum layer. So this is PQ is a mirror. Now आता काय करायचं आपल्याला की आपल्याला पॉइंट, आता हे मिरर झालं, हा पर्सन झाला, that is HF is a person standing in front of a mirror, that is PQ. Now इथे आपल्याला एक incident ray draw करायची. We have to draw, that is incident ray. We have to show the incident ray which is came from the point H. Now after meeting to this mirror, that is PQ, we know that it gets reflected. So the reflection we are shown here, that is we draw a line, that is EP or PE. So this is called as an incident ray and this is a reflected ray. Now another we have to show that from the point E we draw a incident ray, that is this one. So EQ is a incident ray. After spiking or meeting to PQ mirror, then it gets reflected. So we draw a reflected ray like this. Suppose this is a reflected ray. Okay, now we already take the midpoints of H and line H and F. So we take the name, that is suppose that this is a is a midpoint of HE, and suppose this is a B point, that means it is a B is the midpoint of EF. Okay, now we draw a perpendicular from the midpoint on the mirror PQ, and from point P we again draw another perpendicular on, suppose इथे dotted दाखवा तुम्ही असं, okay. So we draw a perpendicular on point BQ is a perpendicular on PQ, and AP is a perpendicular on PQ. So therefore this angle is 90, this angle is normal, so this angle is 90. Now हे झालं आपलं कन्स्ट्रक्शन, ओके. मग आता आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे की जेवढ्या त्या पर्सनची हाईट असेल त्याची इमेज पूर्णपणे त्या प्लेन मिरर मध्ये जर फॉर्म व्हायची असेल तर आपल्याला त्या मिररची हाईट किती असायला पाहिजे. सपोज हे आपण काय केलं होतं, एक पर्सन स्टँड केला होता. सपोज हा पर्सन आहे. आता इथे सपोज आपण एक पॉइंट देऊ आ, म्हणजे हा मिरर जो फिट केला आपण QR डिस्टन्स वर आपण मिरर हा फिट केलेला आहे, ओके. मग आता आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे, वी हॅव टू प्रूव्ह दॅट the height of the mirror to in order to see the full image of a person standing in front of a mirror, the minimum height of the mirror must be half the height of the person. हे आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे. सो आपण कन्स्ट्रक्शन केलं. आता पहा या कन्स्ट्रक्शन वरून आपल्याला कशा पद्धतीने प्रूव्ह करता येईल. सो हियर नाउ दिस इज HP is an incident ray and PE is a reflected ray, okay. Now AP is a normal to mirror PQ, so this is, so due to that this is the angle of incident and this is the angle of reflection. For the second reflection EQ is a incident ray and BQ is a normal on PQ, and FQ is a reflected ray. So for that this is the angle of incident and this is the angle of reflection, okay. And AP and BQ is normal to PQ. So here AP is perpendicular, normal means क्या है, perpendicular. AP is perpendicular on PQ, and second one is BQ is perpendicular on PQ. So from we conclude that the distance of PQ, as both are normal, so we conclude that the distance of PQ is equal to distance of AB. So therefore we can say that distance of PQ is equal to distance of AB. Both are equal, as because this is a normal, this is also perpendicular and this is also normal, so we can conclude that this distance is equal to this distance. That's why we write PQ is equal to AB. Now observe that what is meant by AB here. So AB in figure we can write AB is nothing but AE plus EB. So we can write PQ as it is, and what is meant by AB from the figure we can write AE plus second is EB. आपण याला हे AB तुम्हाला दिसतंय फिगर मध्ये, हे AB ला कसं राईट करू शकतो, AE plus EB, ओके. सो आता पहा या ठिकाणी सपोज आपण याला इक्वेशन 1 कन्सिडर करू, ओके. नाउ व्हॉट इज the value of AE. So here we can see that in figure that is AE. So AE is nothing but the half distance of HE. So we can write AE is equal to half of HE. Okay, and similarly we can say that what is meant by AB, and EB is nothing but, पहा डायग्राम मध्ये AB म्हणजे काय, AB ला काय राईट करू शकतो, is nothing but the half of EF. So EF चे ही काय असणार, half, okay. Now we have the both values, that is AE and EB. So put two values in equation 1. So equation 1 implies that is PQ. PQ is equal to what? AE. Instead of AE, we can write HE by 2 plus. Second is EB. So instead of EB, we replace, that is EB is nothing but EF upon 2. So here the base is same, that is we take the LCM, that is 2 here, and if the base are same, then we add here, that is HE plus EF. Okay, so finally we get PQ is equal to, पहा डायग्राम मध्ये पहा, HE आणि EF यालाच काय राईट करू शकतो, HF. सो का HE आणि EF ही सम आहे, त्या समला काय राईट करू शकतो, HF. So HF divided by 2. So in this way we prove that here PQ is what? PQ is the height of the mirror. Okay. Now what is meant by HF here? HF is the height of that person standing in front of a mirror, that is PQ. So from this we easily prove that in order to see the full image of a person standing in front of a mirror, the minimum height of a mirror must be half height of the person. म्हणजे अशा पद्धतीने आपण प्रूव्ह केलं की समजा तुम्हाला एखादा पर्सन त्या मिरर पुढे जर उभा असेल आणि त्या पर्सनची पूर्ण इमेज त्या मिरर मध्ये जर फॉर्म करायची असेल, तर त्या मिररची हाईट कशी असली पाहिजे, त्या पर्सनच्या हाईटच्या हाफ असली पाहिजे. हेच आपण इथे प्रूव्ह केलेलं आहे. पहा खूप सिंपल होतं. आपण काय केलं, सुरुवातीला इनिशियली वी ड्रॉ अ HF. वन पर्सन इज स्टँडिंग. आता इथे ऍक्च्युअली आपण पर्सन स्टँडिंग करणार, तर हे इंडिकेशन कसं दाखवणार, आपण एक लाईन ड्रॉ केली, आपण त्यामध्ये आपण दाखवलं की H इज हियर हेड रिजन, E इज हियर आईज रिजन आणि F इज हिज fifth region. Okay, then आपण दोन मिड पॉइंट काढले. सपोज A and B is the midpoint of HE and B is the midpoint of EF. ओके, मग आपण काय केलं, या मिड पॉइंट पासून आपण एक पॉइंट ड्रॉ केले, दॅट इज P आणि Q. ओके, मग हे काय झालं, PQ तुमचा मिरर, मग त्याला कोटिंग केलं आपण वन साइड, म्हणजे हा तुमचा रिफ्लेक्टिंग पार्ट असायला पाहिजे. ओके, नाउ मग आपण काय केलं, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी ड्रॉ अ लाइन. वी हैव टू शो द इंसिडेंट रे, दैट इज HP is the incident ray. After striking to this PQ mirror, it gets reflected. So EP is a reflected ray. Okay, for the second one we draw a EQ is a incident ray and FQ is a reflected ray. Now we extend this line, that means we draw a perpendicular, that is AP on the PQ, and here from the point B we draw a perpendicular that is BQ on PQ. Okay, आता ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी केल्यानंतर म्हणजे हा काय झाला, नॉर्मल. इथे आपण काय झाला, इथे नॉर्मल. मग हे नॉर्मल दोन नॉर्मल इथे आहेत. मग यावरून आपण कन्क्लुजन काय काढलं, जेवढं डिस्टन्स PQ चं असेल तेवढंच काय राहणार या AB चं. ओके, if as there is a two normal, so we can conclude that the distance of PQ is equal to distance of AB. मग इथे आपण सुरुवातीला काय लिहिलं, आपण AP is perpendicular on PQ and BQ is perpendicular on PQ. So from that we conclude that the distance of PQ is equal to distance of AB. So here what is meant by AB here? AB we can write, see the in figure, AB we can write AE plus EB. So we write AB is equal to AE plus EB. Now what is the value of AE from figure? See that AE is nothing but the half of HE. So we write AE is equal to half of HE. And what is the value of EB? So EB is nothing but half of figure मध्ये EB is nothing but the half of HF. Okay, we put two values in equation 1. So equation 1 implies PQ is equal to, what is the value of AE? Is HE by 2 plus what is the value of EB? EB is EF upon 2. Okay, so base is same, so we write 2 and addition of this. So from that we easily prove that the PQ, here we get PQ is equal to half of HF. That means here PQ is the height of the mirror and HF is the height of that person. So in this way we will discuss about this is the part of that plane mirror. Now in next lecture we will start what is about the spherical mirror, and in that we see that what is the concave and convex mirror and the basic concept of spherical mirror. I hope so you understand this derivation. This derivation will be asked for the 3 or 5 mark in exam. Okay, so till then thank you so much and take care.